What to take a look at the US markets.
Morning, Shansi. Let's hope that this week is a good start. We've closed last week with the modest gains on Nifty, but then November saw a good start, at least in US markets. If you see, stocks rallied on Friday, but then bigger cues has to come from this week, that is presidential election on November 5th, and then followed by Federal Reserve's November 7th decision on interest rates. Now let's quickly check what happened on Friday. So Friday session saw a good start actually. The Dow gained nearly 300 points, 0.7%. It gained on down. Nasdaq was up by 0.8%. S&P had won 0.4%. And traders completely shrugged off the disappointing labor data which came in on Friday itself. In fact, if you talk about the whole week, the indices that wrapped up a choppy week though. S&P, that one lost 1.5% for that week. Nasdaq that slid 1.5%, and Dow closed lower by 0.2%. In fact, if we took up the monthly performance of US market, that one also closed with losses. But then the positive point is that we've started on a good note, at least as far as November start is concerned, what we saw on Friday. Now, if you talk about the data which came in, because that was a disappointing data, what came in as jobs report data, that shows that the US economy added just 12,000 jobs in the month of October. This is far below the estimation of 1 lakh jobs addition. In fact, this marked the weakest level of job creation also since the month of December 2020. Now, this week number came largely because of the hurricanes and the Boeing strike also. But before this, on Thursday, Nasdaq and S&P, they both suffered their worst day in nearly 2 months. Out of the entire Friday session, 2 stocks we need to majorly talk about. Of course, we'll talk about them in detail. But that one lifted this investor sentiment was the blockbuster moves in, which came in from Amazon as well as from Intel. Talking about US yield, which are near 4-month high right now, above 4.3% mark.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.